The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company. Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all guys are doing absolutely well. So, some time ago I have shared with you a post in my Facebook group Premium Share that I'm gonna let you know of risk-free better alternative AdSense method of earning. So first of all, let me clear to you that AdSense is AdSense. No one can compare with that when it comes against passive earning. But as you know, while working with AdSense, we have to maintain a lot of rules and regulation. Sometimes for a little mistake, our AdSense get suspended. Anyway, today we will see something more like that, where we can work as much freely as we wish for, and payment is not limited to any threshold. Without wasting any more time, let's start the tutorial, and make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can also join our Facebook group Premium Share to get daily exclusive updates. Okay, the site we are going to work with is called Wilix. They are giving service from 2012. You can see in their website. So you can see they support both mobile and desktop traffic. Daily payments available. Also, you get instant approval. Even you can earn up to $200 per 1,000 traffic you bring to their website. Not spam, okay? Now if you want, you can read out their terms and conditions. You can see their support payout methods, all like PayPal, Bitcoin, Payoneer, etc. In PayPal, you can get payout minimum $1 as payout without any internal fees, and in Bitcoin you should have to earn at least $10 to get payout. Now if you see the ad type, they support banner ads, redirect ads, pop-up ads, and even they support direct ads as well. If you somehow face any trouble, then you can get help from their contact page information within 24 hours. Okay, forget to mention that you can also work here as an affiliate as well to get earn up to 10% commission. I'm also going to leave a link in the video description so that you can register and get approval to work in their website. So let's see how it works, and now create a publisher account here by giving your username, email and password and other information. Then it will show you complete your registration by confirming the link they are going to send in your mail. So let's go to your mail inbox, open the mail from Wilix, and here you will get your user ID, your password information, and if you see down you will see the activation link, so you have to click on here, and now you have to accept their condition and click on complete registration. Now here fill up your personal details, that who you are and what your address is and the payout method you would like to get paid. Set the minimum payout and receive as you like to get. Now you can see we just complete our full registration, so you can close it now. Okay, now before getting to the dashboard, let's see what ideas we can work for. As I mentioned, you can work freely, so here are some topic and ideas I want to share with you. You can go with the movie download websites like these websites. Here they upload movies, and people while downloading movies they show ads in that website. You can create a job posting or copy paste website like this, because these days people are showing their interest very much to get a job. Now next, you can try to make a daily horoscope website like this. People always show their interest to know about themselves, so you can easily get an article from here and upload in your website. You can make compare phone websites. People love to see comparison, so you will give them what they like to see. So this one you can work on. You can go with review post websites. Yes, you can make food blogging or travel websites. You can get content from Facebook groups. If you find that keywords like somewhere foods or some travel places, you can get a lot of ideas and contents from Facebook groups as well to upload in your website. Make a celebrity news sites with a viral topic, software or game key websites, and even you can go with 18 plus content as well. But personally, I don't support that, so you can try to go with the rest of the topic I showed it to you. This all can bring tons of traffic organically to your website and ads. Okay, now as we are in dashboard, you will able to see how many clicks you get, how many earn, and other useful stuff as well. So check it yourself, because if I continue showing one by one all of these website options, so it will get a long video. So I'm not going to make a long video. Now we are gonna see that ad type we can use here. I am going to use the direct link to show you how you can work with this in website or blogspot website. You can go with adult and non-adult, it's up to you. You can generate your banner ads from here like this. So here I am going to set up the banner ad tag in one of my blogspot site. So after you get your code, go to layout setting of your blogspot. Now from add gadget, select HTML script. You can name it anything you want and paste the code, then save. Now here you can see our ad is active. Okay, so now look over to the payment proof. Does they really pay? And the answer is yes. You can see all these payouts I got from Wellix, and as there is no limitation on payout like a minimum $1, so I set my payout as $1, and you can see I got $1 as soon as I earn from Wellix in my PayPal. So you can work in this site without any hesitation. You will get payout. And if you notice in Trustpilot or get some, you want to search some reviews, you will see positive reviews from other websites. Even as I showing you that I got payout, so why not you get if you work? So let's work on that site. And now I'm also gonna share with you another site that you can work on. There's another site like this you can work on. It's DL platforms. Here you can upload file and earn, and you can even make short links as well to get earn. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And if you want to know more about anything like this, so you can comment below. And if you want more videos like this topic, so you can suggest us in comment. And okay, have a great day.